Subscribe.
Significance of Rat Saptami. Rat Saptami is considered as holy and significant as a solar eclipse for performing charitable deeds and spiritual practices. Worshipping Lord Surya on this day is believed to have immense spiritual benefits. According to scriptures, offering prayers and observing fast on Rat Saptami helps one atone for all types of sins, committed knowingly or unknowingly, through actions, words, or thoughts, in both current and previous lifetimes. The day is also called Arogya Saptami, as taking a ritual bath at the right time is believed to bring good health and protect against diseases. Rituals of Rat Saptami 1. Ritual bath, Snan, taking a holy bath during Arunodaya, the time just before sunrise, is a key ritual of Rat Saptami. This period lasts for approximately 1.5 hours before sunrise. It is believed that bathing during this time not only purifies the body but also eliminates ailments and ensures longevity. While bathing in natural water bodies such as rivers or canals is considered ideal, those unable to do so can take a bath at home with devotion and mindfulness. 2. Offering Arghyadan. After the ritual bath, devotees worship Lord Surya during sunrise. This involves offering Arghya, water, to the sun god from a small kalas, pot, while standing in the Namaskar Mudra, facing the sun. Slowly pouring water as a mark of respect signifies gratitude and reverence to the source of life. 3. Sun worship. Post Arghyadan, devotees light a lamp, Deepak, filled with pure ghee and offer red flowers, camphor, and incense, dhoop, to Lord Surya. These rituals, accompanied by prayers, symbolize gratitude for the sun's role in sustaining life on earth. Benefits of observing Ratha Saptami. Spiritual cleansing. The rituals performed on this day are said to rid devotees of sins accumulated over lifetimes. Health and longevity. Known as Arogya Saptami, the day emphasizes the significance of health, with devotees believing that the holy bath during Arunodaya protects against diseases. Prosperity and well-being. By performing Arghyadan and other rituals, devotees are blessed with good health, a long life, and prosperity. Rat Saptami and the symbolism of the sun. The festival underscores the importance of the sun as a life-giver and source of energy. Lord Surya is revered as a symbol of knowledge, power, and vitality. Worshipping him on Rat Saptami is an expression of gratitude for his role in sustaining life and enlightening the universe. Rat Saptami is a day of devotion, cleansing, and gratitude. By observing the rituals of this auspicious occasion, devotees seek the blessings of Lord Surya for wisdom, health, and prosperity. As the sun god continues to illuminate our lives, let us celebrate this day with heartfelt prayers and acts of kindness.